Let's see here, it is our reception office and it is working of all the teachers who are here. Work is going on. Offline classes or online classes, not an issue. All staff of MMPS is really working hard. Now I am moving towards, this is our reception, this is our Lal Singh Bhaiya, he is also continue working here. Means all staff of MMPS A to Z, students are here or not, but work is going on continuously. You can see here our office of administration is working here, and let's see here, it is the principal office. Our principal sir is also working continuous. What is the condition? Students are here or not an issue, but each and everybody who are associated with MMPS, continuously they are working. Now I am moving towards this ground. You can see that here also work is going on. All the side, everybody is totally busy. See here that watchman, he is also on duty, as well as our all members of MMPS. As per their work, everyone is busy here. Now I am moving towards our classes. You can see here teachers works here. Class is empty, but the teachers work is going on.
Of our program. So we have to start with, you can see there is a word public class, my class. After that the opening bracket, after that public.
Here also you can see that full staff of MMPS. Here also work is going on. Now I am moving towards another classes. Due to COVID-19, no students right now in school, but staff is working properly. Here also our one lecture is going on. Different classroom. Some teachers right now working online, some are working offline. Everybody is doing his or her duty very honestly. It is all for the dedication towards students. They can manage these classes from their home also, but they want to provide very proper education. They want all educational tools. That's why from their wish and will they are managing these classes from school premises. Here also you can see another classes. Offline work is going on here. Class is empty, but teacher is here at the right time and very honestly they are doing their duties. Here also you can see this is online classes and sir is busy with the students. Classroom is empty, but teacher properly connected with the students. They are sharing their view, lot of discussion with the students, proper guideline. Here also you can see work is going on. It is online platform. Teacher is totally busy with the students. No students, then also they are totally connected with full class, providing all the guidelines, managing all the students. I will show you more. Class cleaning work is also going on. Here just our sir is working offline. Very soon his online classes will start. Class is empty, but work is going on. Same here you can see, no students, but all students here. Class is going on, maths class. Sir is continuing. Solving students all the problems.
I request all the students, please mute your mind.
From the commercial companies.
You can see that how this classes is going on here. Students is not here, but they are here. With the help of proper technology, our teachers are trying their best. Just offline classes. Here teachers also with small kids and how they are managing. Please you can understand. All teachers of MMPS really they are working very hard, and online and offline very honest work is going on. This is lab, juniors, SSC and Maths and SSC lab awaiting for students. Now I am moving towards another classes. I will show you that everywhere is work is going on. We are providing that best NAT facilities. Here you can see that different steps of
इसमें आपको
yoga.
दोनों
Teachers are guiding to all the students
हैंड को
to increase their immunity power.
जो आपके हैंड है
You can see this.
और यहाँ पे पकड़ना धीरे धीरे आपको चेस्ट को ऊपर उठाना है
You can understand how they are working very hard for students. Through this video, my intention is very simple.
पूरा इसमें करना है
All the family of MMPS very honest and everybody working very properly. Here the another class. You can see this another class is going on. Here you can see class is going on continuously. You can understand कि at home sometimes that thinking of the general people कि just online classes is just like a joke, but this video will reflect कि it is not joke. A big team is working for this particular platform. So you can see that how the teachers are working, some technical problems continuously we are facing, we are running and everything we are managing. It is just first week is going on, all are trying harder and soon we will solve all the problems. Here also you can see that class is going on. Ma'am, any problem? Okay. Here also you can see this just offline. Very soon it will start online. Work is going on continuously. I am going to request each and everybody. It is totally depend on the technology. We are trying our best, but sometimes this problem means we are also unable to solve your problem because we all are newcomers on this particular platform. We are learning a lot of things. Here also you can see that teachers are here. Class is started already. Everywhere you can see that how that everyone. Here you can see lot of problem on online platform. Continuously our teachers are facing this problem. They are solving. Sometimes the net problems from the school side. Sometimes net problem from parent side. But everybody is trying their best. All are trying their best, so don't bother. We are working on this particular platform. You can see there there's a lot of problem is here, but still that full family of MMPS is working continuously and trying to solve all the problem here. Sometimes net issue, but teachers are trying continuously. Here you can see teacher with their kids, work is going on. Here also online classes is going on. You can see here, ma'am is managing this thing. Here you can see that classes is going on. Teacher here also with kids. All work is going on. You can see here. They are here in principal office for some discussion. All the staff of MMPS working very honestly. You can see here everyone is busy. Here also class is going on. Here also you can see. Ma'am, any problem? Any?